Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix Audiomack application not opening problem. So please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, go to the settings and then tap on apps and notifications. Then tap on apps and here find Audiomack app. Now open it. Now go to the storage and clear cache as well as data. Now go back and tap on force stop. Now OK. Now close the setting and go to Google Play Store and search for Audiomack and open it. Now here update the application. If it is already updated and still not working, then uninstall the app and reinstall it again. It will fix this issue for you. So hope this will help. Thanks. Goodbye.